Hey everybody, Charlie Montoya with Jupiter here at InfoComm 2026, and we're showing you the granddaddy of them all, the one that started the craze, our Jupiter Pana 2 105 display. This is what started it all 6 years ago. 6 years ago at InfoComm, Jupiter came, we came with our 105, Microsoft fell in love with it, and now if you walk the halls today, you will see 79 other companies trying to catch up, trying to build towards it as well. Jupiter's displays and our 21:9 display technology is second to none, continuing to drive the technology because of the quality, the look, the feel, the design. Everything that you need or want out of a 21:9 display is right there for you. 750 nits, 60 frames a second, full 5K quality, really built and designed for Microsoft Teams signature rooms and your conference room environments. Why are you still doing dual displays? Go with a single 21:9. That's the future. That's where it's at. Come down to our booth, take a look at it. Thank you for joining us in InfoComm 2026.